Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Review Nama. Today I am excited to take you along on my recent gateway to Coorg Wilderness Resort and Spa. And just to make it clear right from the start that this is not a paid promotion, everything you are about to see and hear is straight from my own experience. So our adventure began the moment we drove through the gates. The entry itself felt like we are stepping into a different world, lush greenery everywhere, and that fresh air just hits differently. The reception area is strikingly impressive with its hint of European architecture and the meticulous attention to detail. The space sets a regal tone that perfectly complements the resort's luxurious and elegant atmosphere. After that, we hopped onto one of those cute buggies. Buggies are essential at this resort because this property is spread across 40 acres of hilly area, making walking between the facilities and rooms challenging. Let me show you this room. I mean, wow. Just look at it, how luxurious it looks like. It features plush European style interiors and spacious layouts. A special highlight is this unique 9-blade fan in each room, which ensures a cool and a comfortable atmosphere without the need for air conditioning. And here is a massive bathroom that makes you feel like royalty. Premium fittings and large windows offer serene views of lush greenery outside. The private balconies offer breathtaking views of the lush wilderness, with misty hills and dense forest stretching as far as the eyes can see. It's the perfect spot to relax and soak in the tranquil beauty of nature. After settling in, it was time for dinner at the Habba restaurant. The buffet spread had many options from local dishes to classic comfort food. And the views from the restaurant just add to the whole experience. The extensive buffet also includes kid-friendly dishes. Of course, I had to check out the amenities. There's a gorgeous infinity pool that overlooks the valley, perfect for a lazy afternoon dip. There's also a play area for kids and a spa if you are in a mood for some pampering. I didn't get a chance to try the spa this time, so no footage is there, but it looked super inviting. Now for the highlight, our sunset hike. The resort organizes a guided walk up to their sunset point, and let me tell you, the views are totally worth the uphill climb. Watching the sun go down over the hills was just magical. All in all, Coorg Wilderness Resort and Spa is perfect if you want to disconnect, soak in nature, and treat yourself to a bit of luxury. If you have been here or planning to visit, let me know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed this little tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories.